Okay, this right here is my tracker. It's an Antonio Carraro Super T Gray 625. It's a small subcompact tracker. I made it in size to be driven, let's say, by this little Halo man. He's my favorite minifigure. Very tall, very, very tall. And compared to the size of the tracker, decent in size, I have to say, except the engine might be a little bit tall, but I can fix that. It easily config and implement onto the back. For instance, my sower, nice little sower, 3-point hitch sower. You saw that. 2 hitch it up to the back. What you want to do is you want to slip on these little arms here. That like to pop off half the time. And then you just connect on to the third link. That's up. It's a lift too high off the ground, but decent. Yeah, but it's too heavy for this tracker. Yeah, you can't sit there and make heavy implements. But you can see how the 3-point hitch will work. It does have headlights, grill lights. The coloring is perfect. Except it has gray wheels instead of orange. Well, that should be it for now for this video. I'll see you guys next.